If this video helps you, please like and subscribe after watching. It really supports the channel. Do you want to play like your favorite CS2 Pro with their exact settings? This quick guide shows you how to download and use any pro player's config in CS2. Let's dive in. First, open your browser and go to prosettings.net. Search for your desired player. Let's take ZywOo. Find their profile, scroll down, and on the left menu, click Config. It's listed with their mouse, video, and other settings. Hit the download button to grab their autoexec.cfg file. Now we need to put it into CS2 folder. First, you need to right-click CS2 in Steam. Go to Properties, then Installed Files, and click Browse. Navigate to game/csgo/cfg. That's where configs are. Paste the downloaded autoexec.cfg here. If it asks to overwrite, back up your old config first to be safe. One last step. Back in Steam, right-click CS2 again. Go to Properties, then General. In the launch options, type +exec autoexec.cfg. Launch CS2, and boom, your chosen pro's config is loaded. Thanks for watching.